am testing out my new curly volumizing hair diffuser. I've never used a diffuser on my hair before to get curls. This is the finished result. Not gonna tell you my opinion yet because I want you to watch the video. If you want to see how I do my new potential curly hair routine to get these looking curls, then let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started with me doing my hair, I want to show you guys what I used on my hair after I got out of the shower. So I always use the Cocoa Magic 10-in-1 leave-in treatment. I always just spray this kind of mid-shaft and throughout my ends when I get out of the shower. This is the first thing that I put in my hair. It's just a coconut oil leave-in spray. It's infused with coconut oil, botanical extracts to help fight frizz, detangle, strengthen, smooth, prevent split ends, protect against breakage, hydrate, boost shine, and improve manageability. The next thing that I put in my hair right after that is the Strong Sexy Hair Core Flex. This has aloe vera and mango butter. This is like from their Anti-Breakage line, which I really like because I need all the anti-breakage, split end repair stuff that I can have in my hair. So I put this throughout my mid shaft and throughout my ends as well. And then once I have both of those all mixed into my hair, I go in with the Healthy Sexy Hair Tri-Wheat Leave-In Conditioner. This is just really nice because it makes brushing out my hair so freaking easy. Like, I have to use a detangler or something, a leave-in conditioner, when I'm brushing out my hair, or it'll take me freaking 30 minutes to brush my hair out. So I always need something to help me do that. If you watch my morning routine vlog, this I picked up that morning and I have been loving this. This makes my hair so freaking easy to brush out. And I spray this throughout my whole head and then use my wet brush to brush my hair out, and it just makes it so freaking easy. I'm obsessed. And then once I have my hair brushed out and everything detangled, I go in with the Nourishing Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum. This I've been using for years, and this is another product that my husband steals for me to use for his beard. It's got coconut milk, coconut oil, and ultra whipped egg white protein. That's interesting. It helps aid strength, elasticity, hydration, and balance for healthy hair. And this just makes my hair really shiny, but you don't want to use too much of it because it is oil, so it's going to make your hair very oily. So I just kind of use it on the ends of my hair. I don't try and put it up on my root or anything because I don't want that to be oily. So yeah, I think that is everything. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So I just got this in the mail. It is the Conair diffuser attachment, and I've been wanting to try a diffuser for so long now, and I just never have. Mainly because I don't really wear my hair curly that often.
There's like dog hair all over it. What do you know?
And I don't really use a blow dryer ever either, but I've been wanting to wear my hair curly more. My husband likes my hair when it's curly. I like the curls that you can get from a diffuser, so I'm just hoping my hair looks good with this. So we're gonna test this out today, and this potentially could become my new hair routine. I think I'm gonna section my hair off in like 4 different sections. So I'm just gonna be using some clips to do that. I've never done this before, so I don't know what I'm doing. Now, this trick I actually learned from Kathleen Lights. I've had curly hair my whole entire 28 years of my life, and I never knew this. Like, I just thought you would run the brush through your hair, you just let it get curly on its own. You don't actually have to help it, but I watched her video and I was like, I've been doing it wrong my whole entire life. So what she did was she like kind of just brushed it out, and then you take your hands and you run it through to make it like super straight, like it is.
Look like a Spice Girl, hey.
And then you just take your hands and you just kind of bring the curl back to life, which gives it more definition, I guess, than just like natural curl. So now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and my diffuser and try this out. So it needs to be on low and on low. I think I'm going to go switch into a shirt because this robe is too hard to do this in, so BRB. Okay, I'm in a shirt now, and look at it, it's so cute. It says stay golden, and it has a golden retriever on it. My stepmom got it for me, and I'm so in love. If you don't know, we have a golden, so. But yes, I don't know how long you're supposed to actually do this, so I'm gonna go in and just do it a little more to see what it does. Okie dokie. These are what our curls are looking like. Let's just move on to the rest of my head. I don't know what I'm doing. See, I don't know if I should be taking sections or if I should just do it all at one time. I don't know. I should have watched the video on how to do this first. I didn't, but we're just gonna go with the flow. I don't know if I'm doing this right, and it's giving me anxiety. Okay, so here is my curly curls over here. I'm actually really liking what's going on right here. Usually it's just like straight right there. So I really like the curls that it gives. Kind of poofy down at the bottom, but it's still pretty. Okay, so this is the finished result and I honestly love it. Like, my hair never has this much volume when it's curly. It's usually just like weighed down and very heavy, I guess. But I have like so much volume at my roots. If my hair looked like this every time when it's curly, I would wear my hair curly way more often. And now that I have this lovely diffuser, I can do that. Oh my god, I'm just so freaking excited. Like, I love it so much. I'm living for the curls. Like, I'm living for it. And it was so easy. It was way better than like taking time to use my one-step hair dryer to get my hair straight. I just don't love straightening it all the time. I honestly haven't used that in like a month probably, and it's been really nice on my hair, not putting like heat on it. I just used a blow dryer, but I'm okay, whatever, Shanelle. So yeah, I love it. All I did from the last clip that you saw is I put some of this Aussie Miracle Curls Frizz Taming cream in my hair. It's just like a white cream mixture that just, you know, kind of tames frizz, and it's infused with coconut and an Australian jojoba oil. It is lightweight formula that reduces frizz and adds shine so you can flaunt your shiny defined curls throughout the day. For hairspray, I use the Garnier Fructis Style Extreme Control Hairspray. It's the first time I actually used this. My husband actually used all my Chi hairspray, so I had to go to this, and I actually really liked it. It was like a continuous spray. I feel like it holds very good, but my hair's not crunchy or anything, so I like that. But yeah, these are my curls, and I am so obsessed with them. If you guys have curly hair or use a diffuser, let me know down in the comments. I want to know how you like a diffuser, what it does for your hair, if it doesn't work for you. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. If you aren't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! Thanks for watching. Go out and make the world smile. Frizz, dangle. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit, wait. Oh, I'm so obsessed with my curls. Okay, there's motion at my front door. Please be my freaking BoxyCharm box. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Why can I not freaking talk? What am I saying? I don't know.